Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You should start by confirming you have edit rights and locating the pivot table. You need control of the source. Once found, open the pivot table editor and read the exact data range it references. Make sure the source sheet is visible and not filtered elsewhere. This step matters because the pivot recalculation depends directly on that range. Now that you know the exact range, you're ready to force a manual refresh by adjusting that range intentionally to trigger recalculation. To force a refresh, change the pivot source range so Google treats it as updated data. For example, extend the range by one row or column, A1, E101, then apply the new range. The pivot recalculates. Once recalculation finishes, revert the range exactly to A1, E100 to restore the intended scope. This works because altering the range forces Sheet's engine to reevaluate aggregated data. Make sure no scripts or protected ranges block the edit. Otherwise, the change won't stick and no refresh will occur. After reverting the range, confirm totals and groupings match expectations. That completes the refresh. If your pivot uses an external connector, choose Data then Refresh Connections instead. Connected sources need their own refresh. If values still look stale, make a tiny direct edit in the source table, add and remove a character to trigger auto-update. If all else fails, clear browser cache or duplicate the sheet and recreate the pivot. These steps handle most stubborn refresh issues quickly and predictably.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.